Hello, I'm going to explain you about a tool called as Call Manager, and this tool will drastically save your time, especially because there are so many calls that we get from our clients or potential clients, but many a times those calls are spam calls, right? So we really don't know till we pick up the call and talk to the person whether this particular call is really a potential customer or not. So we really cannot miss any of the calls, but at the same time, like our key person whose number is provided on the website and many other social media sites, the people are going to call on this number, right? But the key person is always busy with meetings or sessions or something or the other, and that person's time is critical to the company. So what we have done is we have developed an app where if the person gets the call, then that particular call's number will be sent to his personal assistants. So those personal assistants will actually talk to the person, make sure that if the lead is a real lead, then just because we did not respond to that person, that lead should not go to our competitor. So it is very important for us to call almost as soon as possible after receiving the call. So the key person, if he doesn't pick up the phone, then immediately SMS is sent to the numbers that I have shown here. So here you can manage those numbers. So it could be 2, 3, 4, or just one as well, right? Then the second thing that is configurable in this particular app is, like whether this particular call handling should be done only for the known numbers or unknown numbers as well. Then one more important thing that happens in this app is that as soon as you receive a call from that potential lead, immediately an auto reply is sent, a configurable auto reply is sent, telling them to that they are being taken seriously, right? So this particular functionality is extremely important for our company, our Japanese classes, and I'm sure it will be very useful for other companies as well. And that is the reason we have developed this particular app. Now I'll also show you, like, in real time exactly what happens and how the SMS is like being sent to the caller as well as like our admin. So you'll see here that I'm calling from another device right now, and there is a call that is going on right now. Though you see the name here, this name is coming from an application like Truecaller or something. So this is not the contact that is being saved in my mobile. So I'm just going to stop this call now from other device. Now as soon as this is done, I will just show you what happens in my SMS manager, the default SMS manager. So our app is not going to be default SMS manager, by the way. So you'll see that this particular message is being sent to like my personal assistant, saying that there was a missed call from this or this and this particular number. So this is how the application is going to work, and right, and at the same time this is the unknown contact from where I had called, right? I made this call. So here you will see that I am sending a default message to this person also, saying that I do not have your number saved, but we will get back to you as soon as possible. So in our opinion, this is one of the key apps that is currently saving a lot of time for our key people, and I'm sure that this app will be very useful to the community, the small businesses in general. And I think we really, like, once you start using it, you will see how it kind of saves your time, which is like, which is really like money in at any point of time. All right, thank you, and I hope that you enjoy this app.